In this next leg of our trip, we had set off early and we had the best of intentions to just power through to Alberta. But in traditional style, we wound up stopping, checking out a bit of nature, and having some snacks, and generally not sticking to the schedule. One of the problems that we have is that we just cannot help ourselves when presented with scenery and the opportunity to eat, really. One of the stopover points that we had actually planned was Three Valley Gap. Now, I thought this was going to be just a short stopover, but boy, was I wrong.
I love the wallpaper, right? I feel like this would be perfect for ghosts.
One of the things to know about the heritage ghost town of Three Valley Gap is that it is not just a quick stopover, because there is a ton of stuff. There's just so much to look at. It's incredible.
Not creepy at all.
Pretty much how it is right now, 2020. Coffee shops are full of these things. They're right on par.
There's just too much to look at. You can't walk in and just sort of glance at everything. Everything is just so absorbing and kind of creepy and weird, but beautiful.
Alright, we got our accommodations for the night. Just kidding. Na 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 na, hello baby, hello my ragtime girl.
Oh,
Yes,
creepy for sure.
be everywhere. Sorry to bother you, sir. Do you have any directions on how to get to Calgary?
So real? Like, was this real or was it just built for this? For show? Oh, creepy. Excuse me, hello? You want some company? I like this one. Oh. Cute, right? It's not neat though. Oh, it's all like train. Check out this cute map. Whatever it's called.
You mean a globe?
Yeah, the globe. Look at it.
And once you get past the heritage ghost town, There's this entire train roundhouse that's just filled with historical artifacts and vehicles and trains and vignettes of an era gone by.
Courtesy to die!
And even though it was incredibly out of season, there was this awesome free Halloween train just sitting in this train roundhouse. We had to go through it. Now, Halloween fun houses are, by their nature, scary. But the thing that I don't like most about them is how Marina uses me as a human shield against, well, everything.
Oh, awesome.
Tell him Large Marge sent ya!
Guess what? Retired truck drivers, they get a motor home and stop at all the places they drove by their whole career.
Yeah. All aboard.
And finally, at the end of the grounds is this cute little miniature train on these narrow tracks that takes you on a short little journey, but it's totally worth it. It's a bit of Canadian history and it's fun.
Enjoying yourself?
It's lovely here. Really lovely.
Eeny meeny, I will take this one.
Linda,
What?
Linda, are you getting all of them?
have you done your ritual yet? One of the bottoms is the best.
I don't know which one I want.
You can't go to Three Valley Gap without stopping and getting yourself a little mystery present. What's in there?
Oh, it's a mug. Oh, did you get a mug? Oh, lame. I'm leaving that at Dad's. This is really done up. Yeah, granola bars.
What did you get?
She got a mask. I did.
Bandana or a mask? What did I
Wow.
get? A surprise! What did I get? $3.99. Cheese nips. Nope.
Too bad.
I wish it was. Oh my god. Oh my
no.
god. What?
Oh, you got socks.
Oh.
At least you got socks.
Who wants them? Oh no, the fun. Oh shit. Flat tire. Shut it. Now she's flat. Alright, let's try to change this tire. Ari. Come on, Linda.
Let's load this in and
Alright, let's see if we can get this baby to Revelstoke in time for the dealership to fix it. Otherwise, we're going to be stuck in Revelstoke for the night.
Wow, look at this. Wow. Oh my god.
Believe in magic. This is the biggest money score for change ever found. It's a sign. We're at the tire place.
Lumps are good on some things, not on tires.
Oh no.
It's coming apart.
Oh no. So what does that mean?
Means time for another tire. And
Uh-oh.
I don't have any.
Trevor, what did they say about the donut tire that we put on?
Well, the donut tire was practically empty. Thankfully, it got us here. So, all things end well are great.
Well, we're gonna get our tire fixed. We're gonna be one day behind schedule, but really there is no schedule. So, you know, thank you Revelstoke XL Tire Center for making our day so much better. Yes. Yeah, a little bit of wrap and some crazy poutine. What was it? Can you zoom in, Trevor?
You know, I think Michael got to see
Not just one, but two.
from potential aggressors.
Marina, I know. Eyes on
I'm digging the outside lights.